Hola friends, it's Mirza Asif and I'm back with another video. And as you have already seen the title and the thumbnail of the video, you already know what's the topic of today's video. But for those who have not paid attention, today's topic is on how you can download the Minecraft Pocket Edition for free. So for those of you who don't know, they usually go to Play Store and download it by paying some money because Minecraft Pocket Edition costs you a lot of money. Let me show you how much. So here it is, you will say Minecraft Pocket Edition. So here it is, it will cost you 479.56 rupees and something in the dollar. So you will not spend money like that only if you are not addicted to this game. So for those who want to try it and who want to play this game, so what you have to do, let me tell you. So Minecraft is one of the most popular games around the world, and people used to find ways on how you can download it free. So here is the legitimate way on how you can download that. So let me tell you, for that you have to first download an app called Torrent. You scroll down, you've seen this arrow, this one, you have to download this app, and as a substitute to download the app you have to download this Flood torrent. So I will give the link in the description to download both of these if you don't know and if you have not seen. So I have already downloaded, let me show it to you. Here it is. So after searching for Minecraft Pocket Edition, scroll down a little bit and you will see over here Minecraft Pocket Edition version 0.14. It seeds to 3 and has size 19.09 MB. So you have to download this one. Download with torrent client and it will redirect you to the Flood app, and click on this plus and app will start downloading. And I have already downloaded it. Let me show you. Here's the Minecraft Pocket Edition. Open the file and download it. Install, and simply you have to install it. So this is how you can download it, and Minecraft is something like that you cannot get it easily. So here's how you can, and it's downloaded. Let me show you. And here it is, the Minecraft. You can open it and have fun with this because this is a really great game. And I hope you like the video guys, and make sure you subscribe and give a like to this video and comment down below what you want to see in the next upcoming video. So this is all that you have got. I'll meet you in another video, and make sure one thing, subscribe. Meet you in another video. Goodbye.